In this video, I'm going to show you how I pack and ship small to medium-sized paintings like this one. The first thing I do is take a lint-free cloth and wipe down the edges of the frame as well as the painting to get rid of any dust and hairs. Then I'll take clear palette wrap like this and I'll wrap the entire painting, making sure that the corners are covered. This will protect the painting from scratches and any dust that might get in the box during travel. Once the entire painting is covered, I'll get bubble wrap and lay it flat on the ground, with the flat side facing the painting. I'll then wrap the entire painting again just to add another layer of protection. After this, I'll figure out which box works best. So whenever I buy a frame on American Frame, they send me these great boxes, and I hang on to them. So you can see inside here, this is where we'll slide the painting, and these cutouts are awesome because they'll basically float the painting inside of the box and keep it protected. You can see how the painting fits nicely inside of the cardboard cutouts, and it's not touching any of the sides or edges of the box. This is nice because it reduces the amount of packaging I have to use, as well as clean. It makes it really easy for whoever's receiving this painting to open the box and get the painting out. Once the painting is secure, I add one more layer of cardboard, so there's 2 layers on all sides. On the outside of the second layer of cardboard, I'll attach a picture hanger along with a thank you card, and on the cardboard itself, I'll write out the shipping information in a Sharpie, just in case anything happens to the label on the box. Once the box is taped up and ready to go, I'll add a fragile sticker on each side. If you don't have any frame boxes handy, check out the picture boxes from Home Depot or Lowe's. These are great because you can extend out the inner box to accommodate whatever size art you're shipping. Bubble wrap is great for wrapping paintings that are about 3 feet by 3 feet or smaller, but for larger paintings, I'd recommend using this rigid foam board insulation. You can cut it to any size and it helps maintain the structure of the box. You can find similar boxes online. For example, on Amazon, there are oversized banker's boxes that come in different sizes and in 4 packs, which is great, so you can rearrange them if you have a piece of art with unusual proportions. You might also consider Uline as a resource for boxes. If you're getting a whole bunch or want to buy in bulk, it's actually a pretty good deal. And if you're shipping art that has glass in front of it, you might consider the Airfloat Strong boxes. They have this gentle padding in the middle which will protect your artwork, and a lining that's basically a puncher guard, a lightweight puncher guard that will protect your art in transit. I'll add links to these different boxes in this video's description if you'd like to check any of them out. When it comes to shipping carriers, I've tried several and my favorite is FedEx. They just seem to take a little more care when it comes to fragile objects like art. It's easy to get quotes, and they've got a fairly streamlined process for international shipping. They also do a great job of providing tracking updates. I always get insurance, and unless a collector prefers otherwise, I require at least an indirect signature. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like and feel free to ask any questions.